Many engineers will know the Bumotec and SIP brands. These are amongst the most accurate machines in the world. John Danielle, it's a privilege to be at Starrag Vuadens. What an incredible factory. But before we talk about the factory and the products you produce here, tell me a little bit about yourself and your background.
I'm a managing director of this great company, Starrag Vuadens. My background is electrical engineering, actually, and I did start working in the industry, the machine industry, something like 40 years ago. Wow. I was lucky enough to work in R&D department, in production department, customer service, sales, and then finally I was a kind of all-rounder, which offered the opportunity to become once a managing director.
And this purpose-built factory, I understand that you've got 184 employees here. You have the SIP brand, but also you have the Bumotec. Tell me a little bit about how the factory has been built and why it's so important to the environment.
Sure. Actually, something like 8 years back, we had two production sites, SIP in Geneva and Bumotec not so far from here. We came to the point where it was important to not only merge two companies to explore more synergies, but we needed more space floor. So we decided to go for a brand new plant, and the whole story started back in 2013, late 2013, with the design of the plant. And the good thing is when you start from a white page, you can, or a green field, I could say, you can design the building as per your need. And this is the big chance we had, because we first of all defined the material flow inside the company, the ideal company. We talked about the personal flow, how they are going to communicate amongst themselves, shop floor, engineering office, customer service office, sales, administration, and so forth and so on. And another very important point was we want the people feel well while doing their work. So we also talked about the whole manufacturing process of assembling the machine. And so we've been able to design quite precisely working stations. And going through that thinking process, we've been able to really design the build around these key factors.
And I think lean manufacturing obviously quite key. A lot of customers, they demand, you know, a fair carbon neutral environment, and that's what you're producing here as a factory. But when we talk about precision, you've got two names in the bank. You know, you've got SIP and you've got Bumotec. Tell me a little bit about what machines you're manufacturing here.
Actually, Starrag Vuadens does include two different brands. One is SIP, the second one is Bumotec. Two different brands, two different products or product lines, but both looking for accuracy, good surface finish, repeatability. Today, SIP has become a small company in terms of size, but still very well known worldwide. And everywhere where the highest accuracy is key, then SIP is usually involved. We're talking about machines, I mean, for those who are knowing the industry, we're talking about jig boring machines. Now it's more like milling centers, but the accuracy is still there. And the focus we have in terms of market is aerospace and some applications, some projects in fixture manufacturing, whatever the industry is.
And when you look at the Bumotec side, the S191 machine's been one of your most successful machines, and you're producing up to 80 machines for last year, for instance. But there's something new coming, isn't there, from the factory here?
This is right. Bumotec is a little bit another world. I mean, Bumotec is, first of all, a small type machine tool manufacturer coming originally from the watch industry. And through the years, we've been able to develop the business of Bumotec in the medtech industry and as well in the aerospace industry from some specific application. We were very much focused on not only industries, market subsegment, but application groups. I mean by that, workpieces. And yes, this is right. I mean, Bumotec is on the way to launch future bestseller. I'm 100% convinced of it. It's a Milton Center again, because this is where Bumotec is excellent at. And we will address the same industries, the main goal being to produce more with less manpower and as well the cheapest way as possible.
And I think that's the benefit, because obviously your background in the jewelry and the luxury goods side now brings you into play into the medical sector and very high precision products, doesn't it?
Yes and no. Let me explain. In the medtech industry, the accuracy is there for some parts, but not all of them. And the parts which are requiring that kind of accuracy is actually for us. But not only. There are type of parts where the surface finish is as well very important, is key. Or there are some parts made of difficult to machine materials. This is also a typical application for Bumotec. And what is key in the medtech industry, just like in other industries, is the repeatability, the consistency of the parts in terms of surface finish, in terms of dimensional tolerances. And for that, you need a reliable piece of equipment who is not only accurate enough, but also surface finish good on the long term, on the long run.
So I suppose for any companies that are manufacturing very high precision parts, they should be visiting your showroom here in Vuadens.
Yes, definitely. I'm used to say, if we talk about Bumotec, we're talking about any kind of parts that you can hold in your hands, sometimes so small that we face some challenge to sort them out from chips, but every single high added value parts, because of surface finish, because of accuracy, because of both, or difficult material to cut, or complex shape, this is a typical application for Bumotec, hopefully.